sunny and 84. Fort Payne, mostly sunny and 84. Valley Head, 82 degrees. Once again, at 11 a.m. At Huntsville International Airport, partly sunny and 87. At Bedstone Arsenal, partly sunny and 84. At the University of Alabama in Huntsville, 86 degrees.
Regional weather conditions at 11 a.m. At Tupelo, it was sunny with a temperature of 87. At Birmingham, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 88. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 86 at Chattanooga, 85 at Memphis, 85 at Nashville, 85 at Atlanta, and 84 at Knoxville.
Was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Huntsville, KIH-20. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings and selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Huntsville listening area. In Alabama, Jackson, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Marshall, and Morgan. In Tennessee, Lincoln, and Giles. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Now here is the local forecast. Rest of today, partly cloudy with isolated.
It went off. What do you think, everybody? Look at this. Look at this. Required weekly test. I never thought it would go off.